Good morning. This is Krisha. How may I help you?
I would like to have a reservation in your restaurant.
Yes, ma'am. But before that, may I ask you your name, contact number, and number of packs?
My name is Riza Medjo Caras. My contact number is 0920-7265798. And the number of packs is good for one person.
Okay, and also the date of arrival, time of arrival, and types of service.
Date of arrival, March 27, 2026, and the time at 5 p.m. And the type of service is French.
So, may I repeat your details, ma'am?
Yes, you can repeat.
The reservation name is Rizame Jucaras, and the contact number is sir 920-7265798, and the number of packs is for one person. The date of arrival is March 27, 2026. Time of arrival is 5 p.m. And the type of service is French. Did I get the correct information, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you for calling, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Isofist Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Good afternoon. Yes, I have a reservation at your restaurant.
May I know your name, ma'am?
Riza Medjo Caras.
Okay, wait for a while, ma'am. I will check to our reservation list.
Okay.
So, your name is Miss Riza Jucaras, and your table is table number 1. This way, ma'am, please.
Thank you.
So, this is your table, ma'am. Do you okay with your table?
Yes.
Let's sit, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Trisha, and I am your food and beverage attendant for today. So, may I unfold your table napkin, ma'am?
Sure. Thank you.
So, this is our menu, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to pour you some water? Excuse me. Are you ready to order, ma'am?
Yes.
So, can I get your order?
I would like to order your main course buttered mixed vegetables, dessert
Yes.
leche flan, and for the coffee, I would like hot coffee. I mean hot chocolate,
Okay.
and I would like also to add red wine.
So I will repeat your order, ma'am. For main course, you ordered mixed vegetables. For dessert, leche flan. For coffee, you ordered hot coffee.
Hot chocolate.
Okay, hot chocolate.
And for
And
the
also for your wine, red wine. Excuse me, ma'am. So this is your dessert. Wait lang, Chakto. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get the menu? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your dessert. Leche flan. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to pour you some hot coffee?
Sure.
Ma'am, would you like me to pour you some hot chocolate? Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your dessert and hot chocolate?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present you our red wine, Castillo's Yellow. It's a medium sweet and also imported from Spain. And the content of alcohol is 12.5%. May I pour you the wine? Excuse me, ma'am. Can I serve your main course, which is battered mixed vegetables? Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your main course?
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I clean your table? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is your bill, 1,700 pesos. Thank you, ma'am. I received 2,000 pesos. Just wait for a while for a change and receipt. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your change and receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Is there anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
How do you find the food?
It tastes good.
What about the service, ma'am?
It's a nice service.
Thank you so much for the compliment, ma'am. I hope to see you again soon, and I hope you enjoy your week. Thank you.
Thank you.